Suresh Kumar started his career in Indian organization at Ahmedabad in 1978. He has worked as R&D engineer at Space Applications Center for Bhaskara Earth Observation Satellite. He contributed for the development of India's first communications satellite Apple, the Ariane passenger payload experiment. He received training in spacecraft control operations by Ford Aerospace Communications Corporation, USA. He was flight director for INSAT-1 and INSAT-2 series of satellites during launch and station-keeping maneuvers. As operations manager, he carried out multi-satellite operations of SAT, INSAT and ERNS series of satellites. He was deputed by Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO to Teleglobe Station, Canada for mission operations of INSAT satellite. He was one of the shortlisted astronauts to go to space by NASA as an Indian payload specialist in 1985. Unfortunately, the program was abandoned due to the explosion of Space Shuttle in 1986. This was a great disappointment in his life, but he took this as a challenge and decided to touch each and every part of the globe, if not space.
He participated in Antarctic expedition to witness the aurora australis, the polar lights at Esperanza Research Station. He was launch and mission operations team member for more than 30 satellites launches like GeoSats, INSATs and IRNSS series of satellites.
He has contributed for setting up American Station and Master Control Facility, MCF, Hassan for GE American Satellite. He has visited to witness the Coriolis effect of Earth on the equator passing through Kenya, Uganda and Ecuador. Visited many of the active volcanoes of the world, like Mount Shur is a volcano on Tana Island, South Pacific Islands of Vanuatu. Ragongo is an active volcano in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Masaya volcano, Nicaragua so on.
He was also honored by Greenland TV media on his 100th country visit to Greenland, where he had gone to witness solar flares effects, aurora borealis, northern lights phenomenon.
What was a breakdown in his life in 1984, unable to go to space, became a breakthrough in 2014 on 15th August, that is India's Independence Day, when he became the first Indian and 259th person in the world to go to the edge of space, the stratosphere, as a tourist from Russia. This information was well covered by all leading newspapers and TV channels in India and abroad.
And Suresh, of course, all best regards and congratulations for you with your flight, Age of Space flight, because you are the first Indian to get such a flight. Congratulations with that. I'll tip you in case of that.
Thank you.
On 2nd of April, 2015, he experienced second space mission of zero-gravity flight from Yuri Gagarin Cosmonaut Training Center, Russia. Suresh Kumar is an avid traveler. As mentioned in one of the media, he has left his footprint in more than 167 countries, covering all the 7 continents of the world. The first Indian scientist to travel the stratosphere, the edge of space, from Russia as a tourist. He is the first Indian to experience zero-gravity flight from Yuri Gagarin Cosmonaut Training Center, Russia as a tourist. He is the first Indian to explore Sahara Desert and Eti Plateau. He is the first Indian to reach summit of Nyiragongo active volcano, Congo. He has carried out tests at anti-gravity, magnetic hill spots.
He has visited many scientific and rocket launching stations like European Space Agency ESA, Ariane 6 rocket launching station in French Guiana, Soyuz launching pad of Roscosmos, Vega Control Center, Sokol Air Base Nizhny Novgorod, Jupiter Mission Control Center, Kourou, French Guiana. Time Study Observatory at Royal Museums, Greenwich, London. Belgacom Spaceport in Massive, Belgium. Yuri Gagarin Cosmonaut Training Center, Russia.
The European Organization for Nuclear Research, known as CERN in Geneva, Switzerland, is one of the world's largest and most renowned center for scientific research.
Solar Observatory in Siberia.
In recognition of his achievement, Suresh Kumar has been honored and awarded by many educational institutions and organizations. He was cited in hundreds of print and television media, both in India and abroad. Dr. Kumar has been conferred with many awards, distinctions, honorary doctorates, both national and international, to his credit. Also the Lifetime Achievement Awards for his contribution to the students and society in space science.
Dr. Suresh Kumar was at Chernobyl nuclear power site in Ukraine on study of eradication of coronavirus by use of radio science and gamma rays radiation technique.
Dr. Suresh Kumar was nominated by NHRO for Indian Icon Award for the year 2021 for his contribution and lifetime achievements in space science.
Suresh Kumar gives talk shows in institutions and organizations for the benefit students and participants.
Okay, let me leave you then tonight with our good news story. An Uttar Pradesh government primary school gets India's first space lab. Students have now a strong desire to become scientists instead of doctors and engineers.
Dr. T.N. Suresh Kumar is on a mission to educate and bring awareness among the rural students about space science.
He has been awarded Dr. APJ Kalam, the Missile Man Award for the year 2023. He has received FJ Award at Geneva, Switzerland, for the year 2023.
Also he has been awarded Mahatma Gandhi Global Peace Award for the year 2022. For his contributions to the betterment of the education, society and nation by Swarna Bharat Parivar Trust.
He has been awarded Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam National Award for the year 2022 for the outstanding work in the field of science and technology by Swarna Bharat Parivar Trust.
He became a member for the Space Generation Advisory Council, in support of the United Nations Program on Space Applications. He was a chairperson on panel discussion of International Innovative Future Education Summit 2022.
India is the first country in the world to land a spacecraft near the moon's south pole, a moment of history for the country. It was a tense final 6 minutes as it descended onto the lunar surface.
Dr. Kumar dedicated his services as scientific and space science educator on ISRO's country's prestigious projects like Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan, Gaganyaan, Atiha mission, so on.
आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं कि आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं
laser based. Okay. Up to 10 centimeter it can penetrate into the surface of the moon and get the data back. Our data reflection coefficient.
We are successful.
because of this kind of work that is done by all the scientists who are there in ISRO team, and you have celebrated it. Yes. Let 100 attempts fail. You don't fail 2 attempts. Oh. Right. One day God will come.
To know more about Google, TN Suresh Kumar. YouTube, TN Suresh Kumar.